Today we about to work on this '05 Altima. We're about to do the rear door handle, as you see. We got the new one right here. It's not even the same color. I think it says A15 on there, but this thing don't really look like it matches unless they paint it over or something, because I don't know why it doesn't match. This look darker than the car, but this is it right here. I got that shit online, pretty cheap. I forgot how much it was. It's the door handle. See what I'm talking about? It's a little brighter than this. It says A15. This is where you find the pin code. You open the door. It's the pin code right here. You see color? A15. This is what I ordered. And they sent me this. A little darker than this one. See that? So, anyways, let's start this. Comment in these Ultimas, these shits be breaking. It's mad cheap. Alright, we got 10 mil over here, and we gotta remove this switch. So let's get the 10 mil. And then, okay, don't lose that. Put it right here on the floor or something. Let's get a flathead. If you have one of those plastic stuff that you could use in there so you don't damage it, you could use that if you have it. I don't got it with me at the moment, so we're using this. Don't break this thing. Don't break it, because that would suck if we did. Okay, it's popped. Now let's move this plug, move this tab right here. Well, put it back and pull. Okay, that's somewhere. Now there's a 10 mil right there. Let's take it off. Then we got this thing right here. Another one. It's a screw though. See that? Screwdriver. Now we're gonna pull on the door panel till it pops out. Okay, hear that snap. Okay. Okay. Now don't pull on it OD, because you gotta remove this right here. Like all Nissan Infinities. Pop up, pull up, pop out, pull up. Okay. Now put this to the side. Some Ultimas will have the door light. You have to disconnect that before you remove the panel. This one does not have it. So now we gotta get behind there. Let's move this. Don't rip it off, because you still need it. So use a blade and just cut this glue here. Okay, let's move it to the side. There's enough space to get in here. Now let's move this, take this out like that, and remove this plug that's on the door actuator. Okay. Tab, pull on it. Now let's move this 10. Careful with that. Be careful, careful. Don't lose it. Now let's there's a Torx over here, T30. Some have screws, but I have a T30. Okay, take off all those, all three of those. Okay, now let's take this out. Okay. All right, put it where the bolts were. Well, are. Now it's a 10 mil. Be careful with these. You don't want to strip these or break it. So let's spray that thing with some WD-40, some lubricant, so we don't break it, because it's plastic right here, and you don't want to break it. Let's do it. Okay, I got this. I like this one. This is how you turn it on. I go all the way like this. You could do a little bit, but I max it out. I'm saying, spray that shit. Spray, spray, spray. wet, lubricate that. And you'll see another 10 in there. You see the 10? Okay, spray that shit in there too. Spray in there, spray. Okay, now let's try to take it off. This one I'm gonna use a wrench. I'm gonna use a wrench for that, and a socket for that one. Okay. See, I didn't even try to take it off, and it already bent, broke. See that? See that shit? Shit broke, man. That's how old it is. Look at that shit. See, now I wanna heat it up with some fire and hold it with a vise and unscrew it. Okay, let's see if this one come out. Other one came out, no problem. It wasn't stuck. So like I was saying, now we gotta burn this thing up, heat it up, and remove this bolt. In the meantime, since we're here, let's take out this handle. I just push up on it because there's a tab down here. It's the thing holding it. Just push. Make sure you be careful. You see what I'm talking about? This thing. Got to push up on it and try to take it out. Since this broke, you see, snapped. Lucky I have some 10 mils around. I could just replace it with another one. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, before we put this on, we have to transfer this rod to the new one. You don't have to take off this pink holder because we have a yellow one over here. So all you gotta do is just take this off, like so. Pull it out, same way we pulled it out. Put it here. Okay, it is on. Now let's put it back. Hey, looks like it blends with the whole door. Huh, nice. Now we can put the 10 mils back in here. Put this back how it was. Make sure it lines up with the hole. If you can't, get a vise and tweak it a little bit. Go back and just put the bolt in there. The other side's good, so okay. Let's try this. Okay, once you have it in there, you put your both bolts in there. You're gonna have to put the actuator back. Make sure the rod go back in here, go inside there, or else the door won't open from the outside. Okay, so make sure you line it up with the rod and shove it in there. Make sure you double check that your rod is inside the damn hole. Okay, so as you see, okay, you see it is in there. Okay, so now the door will open from the outside. Now let's put everything back how we took it off. Don't forget your bolt over here. You definitely need that. Okay, put your plug in. Put this right here. And put your plastic back over here how it was. And before you put the panel back on, let's test the door. Test. See, it is locked. Okay, let's unlock it. And boom. There you go. It works. Now, just put the panel back on there since we know the outside works. And yeah, put everything back how we took it off. 2 bolts here, another one here, and yeah, switch. That's how you do a door handle on this 05 Altima. That helps you out. Give me a like, and don't forget, subscribe.